let's now create another color band. Here we will create discrete intervals. plt.subplots and make the fixed size 6,1. Okay. Six, 1, and then report the fig dot subplots adjust bottom equals to 0.5. Okay. Now cmap equals to mpl.cm. Now this time we will use another color, that is VDDs. We will use this VDDs. Now let's see how this color generates. So the bounds we are defining as, let's say -1, 2, 5, 7, 12, 15. Okay. Now norm equals to mpl dot colors dot boundary norm, and here bounds comma cmap dot in. Then fig dot color bar, fig dot color bar, here mpl dot cm dot scalar mappable. Now we need to have the scalar mappable, where we put the norm as norm equals to norm and cmap equals to cmap. Then we have the cx equals to ax, and let's keep the orientation horizontal. Let's keep the orientation horizontal, and label equals to discrete intervals. Okay, so this is horizontal. Yeah. Okay, let's now run this. There is some issues. What issue? Okay, I forgot to put the variable subplots. Okay, let's run this. So this is our whole color band.